You get a $500 bonus at work. Direct deposit hits Friday morning. By Sunday night, it's gone. New shoes, a nicer dinner out, something you didn't plan on buying. Not because you're careless with money, because your brain treated that $500 like it was already about to disappear. That's not a character flaw. That's wiring. 200,000 years of human history, and for almost all of it, the biggest threat to your survival was right in front of you. A predator, a cliff edge, a stranger with a weapon. Your brain got very good at reacting to danger it could see immediately. What it never had to learn? Patience for a reward 40 years away. A retirement account doesn't roar. It doesn't have teeth. So the part of your brain built to keep you alive just doesn't take it seriously. Here's where it gets expensive. Psychologists Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky measured this back in 1992. Losing money doesn't just feel bad. It feels about 2.25 times worse than gaining the same amount feels good. Lose $1,000 in the market, and the sting outweighs the joy of making that same $1,000, more than 2 to 1. It's why people pull their money out the second the market dips red, even when history says ride it out. The fear of losing what's already there beats the math of what it could grow into. Same number, completely different reaction, and your brain remembers which one hurt more. And when money is actually tight, it gets worse. Researchers at Harvard and Princeton put people through financial stress scenarios, then gave them a cognitive test. People under money pressure scored the equivalent of about 13 IQ points lower, close to what a full night with no sleep does to your brain. Poverty doesn't just drain a bank account, it taxes the exact mental bandwidth someone would need to climb out of it. There's one more piece to this. Your brain's reward system runs on dopamine, and dopamine rewards now. Buying the shoes gives you a hit today. Investing that same $500 gives you nothing you can feel for years. So even when you know better, the brain votes for now. Every time, unless you take the decision away from it. And that's really the fix. Not willpower. Willpower is exactly what this wiring is built to overrule. It's removing the moment your brain gets a vote. Automatic transfers the day you're paid. Investments that move before you ever see the number hit your account. You're not outthinking 200,000 years of wiring. You're just not giving it a chance to weigh in. So tell me, what's the last purchase you made that felt completely rational in the moment, but doesn't hold up at all when you look back on it now? Drop it below. I want to hear the honest ones.